Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a great song to perform here for you guys. Or actually, I'm not the performer, I just show you how to play it. It's from Clever. It's called Deadbolt. We had Clever here before on this channel, not too many times, but he's a great and kind of very flexible artist, and kind of how he does his songs, different styles and so on. And I love this song here, Deadbolt. I'm not sure if he is the one who actually created a song, or if it's a cover of an already done song called Deadbolt. Yeah, if you know anything, then leave me a comment here on this channel, because I see other songs, or at least one other song famous, it's called Deadbolt, so I'm not sure. It's still a great performance here from Clever, so let's go into it. We have a capo set here on the 3rd fret, absolute best scenario in my opinion. With that we have 4 easy chords, so let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with A minor first, and it's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G, so that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have F, it's a bar chord, so place an index finger on the 1st fret to push down all strings there. It's a bar, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And finally we have the D minor. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So there we have it. Now let's look into the strumming, and if you grab the first A minor chord, one string around will be like this. Okay, that's my interpretation of it, how to perform it. So you can do it in different ways, but yeah, still, this is what I'm gonna teach you. So you're gonna play down, up, and then clap, up, down, up. That will just flow through the song, so. Alright, so we have a main pattern that goes A minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2, F, 2, and D minor, 2. Sounds like this. This main pattern makes up for like 70-80% of the song, okay? Goes in the chorus and so on. But then we have 2 pre-choruses. I believe they are like pre-choruses. The first one is like 35 seconds in, and the second one is a little bit over 1 minute. I think 1 minute and 5 seconds in, maybe, or so. Anyway, you're gonna play there the same chord progression, but you're gonna play just 1 strumming round per chord. So A minor 1, G 1, F 1, and D minor 1. I think you understand how that is done now, since it's very similar to the main pattern. And then we have a bridge part also that is played at 1 minute and 58 seconds in. What you can play here is just straight downs, 4 downs per chord, in this following chord progression: A minor, F, D minor, G, F, A minor, G, and F. And after that F, you make a huge pause there, and then you're gonna fall back into the main pattern of strumming: A minor, G, F, D minor, 2 strings per chord. And that's it, my friends. There you have all the tools to handle Clever's Deadbolt. A powerful song. Really enjoyed to listen to it first time, and still do. So give it a try if you're a fan of him and just want to perform it on a guitar. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.